Well, well, well. Look what we got here. A Home Depot pedestal sink with a Home Depot faucet. Well, well, well. So, this thing is backing up, number one. And number two, the pop-up is leaking. Put on some putty there to try and stop it. Of course, this is siliconed in, which that shouldn't be. And so is the base. I hate pedestal sinks. Alright, all you do is start. I'm gonna be here for an hour doing this. Just gotta score everything. Still can't get this thing out. Took the P-trap off and got a nice juicy wad of hair. But I cannot get this freaking thing out. Every time I start to put a little too much force on it, it sounds like something's gonna crack. Can't get it. I can't get this side out. Okay, I'm loosening these right here. I thought those would be harder to get off, but this should hopefully allow me to push up on this a little more. See, that's the thing. Sometimes you can get these pedestal sinks out right away, but I've been here probably an hour messing with this thing already. All right, that one's already kind of loose. Or not. Okay, I'm gonna take that, I'm gonna loosen that, and then hopefully I'll be able to get a little more. I might have to take out some of this caulking. Okay, I'm able to push this a lot more now that both those are loose. There you go. Okay, I can get it now. Let me put this down. Okay, we got it. We got it. What the heck is that? What is that? What the heck is that? Is it for this? I don't think so. No, it's definitely not for that. Maybe there used to be some kind of pedestal sink here. It looks like some kind of carrier or something. Like what they, not carrier, but yeah, that's in there. Like what they have for stoves. So if kids climb on them. That's really bad. I'm gonna go outside and rinse all this out. And guess what? Guess what, folks? I don't have any putty. I left it at one of my jobs. So I'm gonna have to use silicone for the first time ever. on a drain. That's gonna be fun. I've never used silicone. All right, I also gotta cut this with the multi-tool, so let me go grab that. No, I'm not going to say anything. Yeah, I'm not going to say anything. No, I'm fine. I'm not mad. Everything's fine over here. Having a great day. All right, I got that out of there. 2 new angle stops, snaked it. Already threw away the old pedestal sink. Now I gotta go tell the customer that I broke their sink. Hello? Hello? Anybody home? Anybody home? This is kind of weird. I'm going into their bedroom. This is weird. Maybe I shouldn't do this. Oh, yeah, I'm right here. Hello? Oh, you're over here? Oh, you're the customer. Got him. This is my place. Gotcha. You thought. This is my place. You want to bet? This is my place. Second room. It's my generator. Give you a house tour. It's my Carhartt. Here are the nasty pants. Here's how I prove that this is my house, because I know some of you are like, nah, he's just making it up. This is my place, bro. There you go. I just got these. These are safety toe. I have this weird thing when I buy something new that's expensive, I don't want to use it for anything. It's like I want to protect it. It's weird. I've had this weird thing since I was a kid, but that's why they're not. I'm going to start eventually wearing those for work. But I got 3 pairs of these Thorogoods, so yeah, this is my place. I couldn't decide if I wanted to admit it, because it's pretty dirty in here. I'm not gonna lie. I don't know if the camera got that across, but I'm a little embarrassed. But whatever. Make for a good video. Yeah. So I think, as much as I hate pedestal sinks, that one that I just took out, I'm almost positive they make still with the same dimensions. So these are 10 inches apart approximately, because I measured the holes before I threw away the other one. Yeah, I've been putting this off for ages. In the beginning, you saw that putty that I put on that little thing that was leaking. I've been putting this off for ages. Well, so now that I went to Home Depot, or that I have to go to Home Depot now, I guess I won't try. I'm just gonna get some more putty. So, all right, let's go to the Depot and we'll see what we got over there. Home Cheapo selling doll valves now. Gotta get those. They don't have the OD Plumber's putty anymore. They sell this junk. This is not a good brand in my opinion. I don't like this one at all. I don't see anything other than this garbage. All right, I just went with a vanity. I didn't see that the pedestal sink, so I'm just going to take these out. And then this is an 18-inch. I got a little bit of a nicer one. It was an open box, so I got a 10% discount. This is just an old faucet I had sitting in the garage for... I've probably had this for about a year. I think I bought it for another job, and it's a pretty nice faucet. Okay. Got those in. Then we're gonna put a little Lexel right here, and then we'll set this guy in. All right. All right, there you go. You're gonna clean the floor like I actually clean. All right, well, honestly, I want a bigger, but you really can't fit much in here. And if you put a bigger one right here, you're not gonna get that. If I put a 24-inch, I don't think this would open up. Kind of sucks. It's better than the pedestal, but a little more. I can actually set stuff on there. On that pedestal, you really couldn't put anything on there. Just fall over. So, anyway, all right. Later.